Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. This year, the folks at iRobot have great things in store for kids as well as their parents. For the grown-ups, the Roomba i7 Plus robotic vacuum connects to an app for easy setup and control, making it easy to set up boundaries for cleaning. It's powerful, quiet, and can empty itself into the clean base, which stores about 30 loads of dirt in a bag before it needs replacement. Now that the floor is clean, make way for the Root Magnetic Coding Robot. It teaches coding in a whimsical, fun way as kids program what Root draws. And it can grow with them too, the company's Daniella Bonazolli.
Level 1, ages 4 and up. Level 2, ages 7 and up. And level 3, ages 12 and up.
Smartly done. Find more at iRobot.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.